You're standing in the garden center staring at bags of mulch stacked to the ceiling. Each bag costs $12. You need 20 bags. That's $240 just to cover bare soil for one season. And next spring, you'll be back here doing it again. But 3 blocks away, a retired landscape designer hasn't bought mulch in 7 years. Her garden beds stay covered year-round. Weeds barely appear. Soil stays moist through drought. Her secret isn't expensive products or complicated systems. It's 9 specific seeds that create permanent living mulch. Today I'm showing you 9 plants you can grow from seed that act as permanent mulch, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture while improving soil quality year after year. Stick around for number 6. It's a nitrogen-fixing ground cover that actually makes soil richer while preventing weeds, and most gardeners have never heard of it. If you enjoy sustainable gardening strategies that save money and reduce maintenance, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, let's dive in. Plant 1 White Dutch Clover. Number 1. White Dutch Clover, the nitrogen-fixing carpet that feeds your soil. White Dutch Clover creates a dense, low-growing mat 4-6 inches tall that blocks weeds while fixing atmospheric nitrogen. The roots host rhizobium bacteria that convert nitrogen gas into plant-available form. Each clover plant can fix 40-200 pounds of nitrogen per acre per year. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 3-10. Tolerates full sun to partial shade. Direct seed at 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Germination occurs in 7-10 days. Full coverage achieved in 8-12 weeks. Self-mulching advantage: clover stays under 6 inches tall so it never competes with vegetables for light. The dense foliage blocks weed seed germination. Established clover reduces weed pressure by 80-90%. Container application: White Dutch Clover works as living mulch in large containers around vegetables or perennials. The clover fills bare soil and reduces watering frequency. The clover secret: it tolerates foot traffic and mowing. You can walk through clover mulch beds to harvest without damaging plants. Clover flowers also attract bees continuously from May through September. Plant 2 Creeping Thyme. Number 2. Creeping Thyme, the fragrant walkable ground cover for paths and edges. Creeping Thyme forms a dense mat 2-3 inches tall that tolerates foot traffic while suppressing weeds. When stepped on, it releases aromatic oils with a pleasant herbal scent. This makes it perfect for pathways between garden beds. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 4-9. Needs full sun, minimum 6 hours. Direct seed at 14 ounce per 100 square feet. Seeds germinate in 14-21 days. Full coverage takes 12-18 months from seed. Self-mulching advantage: the dense evergreen foliage stays in place year-round. Unlike organic mulches that decompose and require replacement, thyme provides permanent weed suppression. Once established, creeping thyme survives on rainfall alone in most climates. The thyme's secret: planted in pathways between raised beds. It tolerates moderate foot traffic while keeping paths weed-free and fragrant. The leaves are also edible with the same flavor as common thyme. Had you even heard of using creeping thyme as pathway mulch before today? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Plant 3 Sweet Alyssum. Number 3. Sweet Alyssum, the self-seeding annual that returns every year. Sweet Alyssum produces masses of tiny white, pink, or purple flowers on plants 4-6 inches tall. It reseeds prolifically, creating permanent ground cover that returns year after year without replanting. Each alyssum plant produces thousands of microscopic seeds that scatter in late summer. Growing requirements: annual in all zones but reseeds reliably. Tolerates full sun to partial shade. Direct seed at 18 ounce per 100 square feet. Seeds germinate in 7-10 days. Full coverage achieved in 6-8 weeks. Self-mulching advantage: Sweet Alyssum grows quickly, covering bare soil before weeds establish. The dense foliage blocks light and prevents weed germination. The foliage also reduces soil evaporation by 50-60% compared to bare soil. The Alyssum secret: it reseeds into cracks between pavers, along bed edges, and in bare spots. This creates a naturalized cottage garden look while functioning as living mulch. Sweet Alyssum also has honey-like fragrance strongest in evening. Plant 4 crimson clover. Number 4. Crimson clover, the nitrogen-fixing cover crop that doubles as mulch. Crimson clover produces stunning red flower spikes on plants 12–18 inches tall. It's a nitrogen-fixing legume that enriches soil while providing dense weed-suppressing coverage. Crimson clover fixes 70–150 pounds of nitrogen per acre per year. Growing requirements: annual in zones 6–9, winter annual in zones 7–10. Prefers full sun. Direct seed at 1 pound per 1,000 square feet in early spring or fall. Germination occurs in 5–7 days. Self-mulching advantage: the dense foliage blocks weeds from spring through early summer. When crimson clover dies in summer heat, the dried plant material forms a mulch layer that continues suppressing weeds while decomposing into organic matter. Succession planting. Seed crimson clover between vegetable rows in fall. It grows through winter, fixes nitrogen, then dies back in late spring, just as summer vegetables need the space. The dead clover mulches around summer crops. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button right now. It helps more gardeners find this. Plant 5 hairy vetch. Number 5. Hairy vetch, the aggressive nitrogen fixer that smothers weeds. Hairy vetch is a nitrogen-fixing legume that grows aggressively, climbing over and smothering any competing weeds. It produces 100–200 pounds of nitrogen per acre per year while creating dense living mulch. The dense, tangled vines block light completely. Growing requirements: annual or biennial depending on planting time. Hardy in zones 3–9. Direct seed at 1–2 pounds per 1,000 square feet in early spring or fall. Germination occurs in 7–14 days. Self-mulching advantage: when hairy vetch dies in summer, the dense mat of dead vines forms a thick mulch layer 3–4 inches deep. This mulch continues suppressing weeds while decomposing into nitrogen-rich organic matter. The vetch secret? Mix hairy vetch with winter rye for even better weed suppression and erosion control. The combination creates an impenetrable mulch that improves soil dramatically. Warning: hairy vetch is aggressive. Don't plant it near perennials or areas where you don't want dense coverage. Plant 6 crown vetch. Number 6. Crown vetch, the slope-stabilizing nitrogen fixer most people don't know. Crown vetch is a nitrogen-fixing legume that forms dense mats on slopes and difficult terrain. It's primarily known for erosion control on highway embankments, but it's equally effective as permanent mulch in home gardens. Once established, absolutely nothing grows through it. Growing requirements: hardy in zones 3–9. Prefers full sun but tolerates partial shade. Direct seed at 1 pound per 1,000 square feet or plant divisions 12–18 inches apart. Seeds germinate in 14–21 days. Self-mulching advantage: crown vetch is perennial and evergreen in mild climates. The dense foliage provides year-round weed suppression without annual replanting. This is permanent living mulch that lasts decades once established. The crown vetch secret? Plant it in problem areas too steep or difficult to maintain with traditional mulch. The deep root system, up to 10 feet deep, stabilizes soil while the dense foliage prevents erosion. Warning: crown vetch spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes. Only plant it where you want permanent, dense coverage. Plant 7 buckwheat. Number 7. Buckwheat, the fast-growing smother crop that dies on cue. Buckwheat grows incredibly fast, from seed to full coverage in just 30–40 days. It blocks weeds aggressively, then dies naturally in fall, leaving behind a mulch layer. The broad leaves create dense shade that prevents weed seed germination. Growing requirements: annual in all zones. Killed by first frost. Needs full sun. Direct seed at 2–3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Germination occurs in 3–5 days. Full coverage achieved in 4–6 weeks. Self-mulching advantage: when buckwheat dies in fall, it forms a mulch layer that protects soil through winter. By spring, the decomposed buckwheat has added significant organic matter to soil. Succession planting. Plant buckwheat in early summer in beds that will hold fall vegetables. The buckwheat suppresses weeds and improves soil, then dies naturally in time for fall planting. The buckwheat secret? It's the fastest way to cover bare soil and suppress weeds. Buckwheat flowers also attract beneficial insects including hoverflies and parasitic wasps that control aphids. Plant 8 annual rye. Number 8. Annual rye, the winter cover that becomes spring mulch. Annual rye grows quickly in fall and survives winter, providing living mulch when most plants are dormant. In spring, it dies naturally, forming a thick mulch layer for summer vegetables. The fibrous root system extends 6-8 feet deep. Growing requirements: annual in all zones. Plant in late summer or fall. Needs full sun. Direct seed at 2-3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Germination occurs in 5-7 days. Self-mulching advantage: annual rye winter kills in zones 6 and colder, naturally dying in spring and forming mulch exactly when you need to plant summer vegetables. The dense root system prevents soil erosion during heavy winter rains. Allelopathic benefit: annual rye produces chemicals that suppress weed seed germination even after the plants die. The dead rye mulch continues preventing weeds through its chemical action. The rye secret: planted in late summer in vegetable beds. It grows through fall and winter, then dies in early spring. Plant vegetables directly into the dead rye mulch without tilling. Plant 9 Phacelia. Number 9. Phacelia, the bee-feeding mulch that improves soil faster than anything else. Phacelia produces masses of purple flowers on plants 12-18 inches tall. It's one of the best plants for attracting beneficial insects while functioning as fast-growing living mulch. Phacelia has a carbon-to-nitrogen ratio of 12:1, ideal for rapid decomposition. Growing requirements: annual in all zones. Needs full sun. Direct seed at 12 pound per 1,000 square feet. Germination occurs in 5-7 days. Full coverage achieved in 6-8 weeks. Self-mulching advantage: Phacelia grows quickly, covering bare soil and blocking weeds. When cut down, it breaks down in 2-3 weeks instead of months. This makes nutrients available quickly for subsequent crops. Pollinator explosion: Phacelia flowers are among the most attractive to bees. One field of blooming Phacelia can support thousands of bees. The Phacelia secret: use it as a quick mulch crop between spring and fall vegetables. Seed it after harvesting spring crops, let it grow for 6-8 weeks, cut it down, and plant fall crops directly into the residue. So to recap, we covered white Dutch clover, creeping thyme, sweet alyssum, crimson clover, hairy vetch, crown vetch, buckwheat, annual rye, and Phacelia. All create living mulch that suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and improves soil. Choose based on your timeline and permanence needs. If this gave you at least one new idea, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. We post new growing guides every week. Which of these 9 self-mulching plants are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Living mulch saves money, reduces work, and improves soil simultaneously. Now go plant something sustainable. I'll see you in the next video.